Hey everybody, it's Chris here from Streamline again. So we got through the tough part, right? We created our system catalog. We now have this address or this URL for our catalog. But how do we get it into our Streamline website, right? So we're over here and we know we need to turn that into somewhere. But where does it go? How do we create it? Well, let's walk through that process right now. So really the first thing you want to do after you've created the catalog is just go to your Streamline website, make sure you're logged in, and then head directly to the dashboard section. You're going to skip past the meetings area, head into transparency. And a nice way to kind of do this quickly, if you want to, is just kind of turn on the requirements here, those state of California requirements. That way, just most of those items disappear. The one we're looking for, the SB 272 catalog requirement, is in general agency information. You can expand this section and see that for the most part, for most of you, it's going to be pretty easy to get the other 4 of the 5 items required. This will probably be the only one left outstanding, in which case we can remedy that right now. So what we're going to do first is grab this URL. We're going to copy this to our clipboard. That's what I'm doing right now. You can right click and just hit copy. That'll make things a lot easier because we're going to paste that URL over here basically in the Streamline site. So we're going to hit the add new button. And when you add new to the transparency dashboard, what you're really trying to do is say, hey, Streamline, here's a page on our site that meets that requirement. Well, of course, the thing is our system catalog on purpose lives on a totally different website. So what do we do in that case? Well, in that case, let's hit the new button from the screen. And we're actually going to create a page, but we're going to create a special kind of page. We're going to create an external page. These external pages are useful because their whole job is to send someone somewhere else to a different URL. And you can kind of see right here that that URL can be entered at the bottom of this page. And so what we're going to do is just simply paste in that system catalog. If you don't know how to do it with your keyboard using the shortcuts, Command or Control V, you can also just right click on this box and paste that URL in. As long as that matches what you have here, you're good to go. You don't need to put any content in here. We can just put a simple title, SB27, oops, let's capitalize that, SB272, Enterprise System Catalog. And then we're going to hit save and close. That's it. Voila. So now we have a green check mark right there. This is linked to our system catalog. And if you want to kind of see what that looks like, every one of you should have a transparency page on the front end of the site, usually and typically under the governance section. So you can come down here and click on this transparency link to see kind of the front end view of the transparency dashboard. So this is what, if you make any changes in the dashboard section, this is where it actually shows up. You can't edit this directly. You have to go in the dashboard to edit it, but you can see, boom, there's our enterprise system catalog. Someone can click on that link and guess where they go? Directly here. So if you've done that, you've done it. You're done. You'll need to update this again every year, and we can cover how to do that a little bit later on, but the hard work is over. You're ready more or less to go live.